promise, no toll, no vow, no fee, to guard my quiet days, you're off that plea. I opened both my hands and set you free. The path is short, the meadow smells alright. A thrush misplaced notes, and so do I. I stitch my mornings with a humble thread, and let the clouds keep counsel over it. I pour my tea, cool, the rim is wide. I keep my socks in pairs, well, most abide. If peace is bread, I need it slow and plain. No capes required, no rescue from the rain. You're free from steering how my quiet goes, free from guarding all my highs and lows. I tend my calm like dough that softly grows. You keep your sky, your fields, your roaming crows. If once you kept a list of faults to mend, I fold it into boats and watch them bend. They sail the ditch, those earnest, hopeful fleet. I wave them past and sweep my porch and streets. No whistle blows, no checklist signed by me. I stamp it clear, you're wholly duty free. Keep your red cape, I'll hang my rain to dry. I like my weather honest, blue or shine. You're free from steering how my quiet goes, free from guarding all my highs and lows. I tend my calm like dough that softly grows. You keep your sky, your fields, your roaming crows. If someone tosses pebbles at my day, I build a step and take the longer way. If talk grows thrones from rumors sharp and grand, I plant a daisy in their stubborn sand. And if a friendly hand once pulled my string, I tie a kite and let it learn its wings. I wish it well, then watch it climb and be. No tug of war, just wind and room and me. You're free from steering out my quiet goes, free from guarding all my highs and lows. I tend my calm like dough that softly grows. You keep your sky, your fields, your roaming crows. I trade unnotted favors for clear string, return the keys that never fit a thing. I keep what's mine, a spoon, a song, a tree, and write your name on wind, go wander free. It's done, no ledger balance, due or fee. Thank you for every mile you walked with me. I take my road, you take your own carefree. My calm is mine, and you are finally free.